Alright guys, welcome to today's session. In our weekly analysis today, we are going to be looking at our normal three pairs, which is gold, pound dollar and USD. But before we zoom into our usual weekly analysis, let's take a quick look at how the market played out from last week analysis. So ladies and gentlemen, the review. Okay, so we're going to start with USD. So last week USD we were looking at sales. We projected that price is going to push into this supply, then drop from that supply zone, and as you can see, price did push to the lower part of the supply, and it did smash down heavily to the downside, and it got to our target as we projected. That is about 1328 pips. That is massive. So it played out as we anticipated. Now let's move quickly to gold. Gold, we projected sales as well. As you can see, we had our first target to be this 1724 area, and as you can see, price did smash down to that target. We also anticipated that if price breaks through this 1717 area, then we are heading down to the 1705 price level, and price eventually reversed off the 1724 area. And let's take a quick look at how many pips it did drop. So we had about a total of 268 pips drop from the close of Friday candle. So the sell eventually played out as we expected, and everything panned out just as we projected. So let's quickly go to the next, which is pound dollar. Pound dollar as well, we're also looking for sales. Remember this particular zone which I marked. I said price is going to break through, and immediately breaks through, we are heading down to this zone, this demand zone. As you can see, price broke through and aggressively dropped to the 1.3419 price area. Then we got a rejection from that point. So now onto the business of the day, which is our usual weekly analysis. Now in this week, still on this weekly candle or weekly time frame, we'll be expecting price to drop. I'm expecting a weak fill. I'm expecting a weak fill. That's my expectation. This particular week to be filled. So I'm expecting that week to be filled all the way to probably that area. So back into this demand zone, and to target the 1.3269 price area. This is actually my expectation on pound dollar. This is on the weekly. So let's quickly zoom down to the daily to see what the daily has for us. Yeah, on the daily, what we are seeing so far, as you can see, is price has pushed to our almost getting to our zone, which we are anticipating a reversal from. See, price got to this level. It does not actually tap into this zone. So the expectation is that price is going to fall this week, get into the zone, then drop. This is just my expectation on on pound dollar. Sorry, I'm expecting sales on pound dollar. But first of all, market has to price has to push higher, then drop lower. So this is the expectation on pound dollar. As you can see, series of structure is in place. You can see, so we are expecting another one around this area, then either a high probability of a new low being created, could be in play, or it could be in motion. So all things being equal, I'm looking for sales on pound dollar. All right, so our next pair is gold. So gold, as you can see, currently I've already put things in place there, and my trend line is there, signifying that gold, we are expecting sales as well. We're expecting sales from gold. I expect gold to sell into this zone, then push higher. As you can see, the structure as well is in play. The lower highs, the higher highs, they are all in play. Gold is really doing a very nice job with market structure right here. So the expectation is for price to push lower and drop. So I'm actually expecting a divergence around here. So price will push to form a divergence, then a push higher. So this is what I'm expecting from gold. But be it as may, if it comes to break this low, then we can further look for the more bears to come into the market. But as a matter of fact, just like I've said, I'm looking for sales to this zone, then a push to the upside. This is my expectation uh, on gold. Sorry. So now, lastly, we're going to be looking at US 30. US 30 is simple as well. I'm also looking out for sales on US 30 to fill this particular week, and for price to even give us a new low by tapping into the 33208 price area. So this is my expectation on US 30. So it kind of looks like the three guys. US 30, we are looking for sales, pound dollar, we are also looking for sales, and gold, we are looking for sales, but we also expect price to push higher. So first move, or first expectation is sales, then in the course of the week for price to push higher. That is the expectation on gold. So this is our projection for this coming week. So we're going to be using this as our guide. So I hope this helped someone, and please, I want to say thank you for being or staying with me till this particular point in time. And I want to say, please, if you have not subscribed already, do well to smash the subscribe button, and please like and share this content. Thank you very much. See you guys in the trading floor. Peace.